The Little Cloud That Wanted to Rain. Once upon a time, there was a little cloud named Puff. Puff was different from the other clouds. While the other clouds loved to float high in the sky, Puff longed to touch the ground. He dreamed of splashing down on the thirsty flowers and watering the parched earth. "Why do we always have to stay up here?" Puff would ask the other clouds. "I want to feel the cool grass beneath my feet and hear the happy sounds of the plants." The other clouds would laugh. "Puff, that's silly. We're clouds. We belong in the sky." But Puff couldn't shake the feeling. He yearned to be useful, to make a difference. One day, a strong wind blew Puff away from the other clouds. He was scared at first, but then he saw something amazing. A field of flowers drooping in the heat. Puff gathered all his strength and let go. Rain poured down on the thirsty flowers, and they perked up with joy. The grass turned a vibrant green, and the birds sang happily. Puff felt a sense of peace he had never known before. He realized that being different wasn't so bad after all. He had found his purpose, and it was beautiful. The end.